really pushes your toes. Oh my god. It's not a tank top, but it's I knew it. Beautiful, like. Hello? Like, so guys, this is my 19th birthday haul. I do this like every single year now. I've been on YouTube for what, like a year and a half. So this is my 19th birthday haul. I'm supposed to be going out with my friends. That's why I'm so dressed up right now. But they're taking long. So I'm gonna do my haul. Because I was actually gonna do it tomorrow, but just gonna do it today. Let's start. First things first. I got my tabbies. I didn't get the Mason Margiela ones because I just found it, I just didn't think it was necessary. But look at my tabbies. They're so cute. I didn't try it on yet. I'm about to try it on right now. I really hope they don't like call me and be like, oh yeah, we're coming right now, because that would be so tragic. Because oh, it really pushes your toes aside. Okay, I'm gonna try it on right now. My birthday video is supposed to already be out, so go watch that if you haven't watched it already. My moon boots. I got these for a trip because I'm going on vacation tomorrow to Canada and we're gonna go skiing. So I actually needed these. That's why I asked for them. And I just feel like they're so cute and they're so comfy. They feel like you're walking on clouds, like literally. And I just feel like because a lot of people are going to be going on like ski trips now, like we're old enough to be taking trips by ourselves, like I think investing in some moon boots was like the right idea. Next thing I got was some Diesel outfits, or Diesel, not really sure how to pronounce it, but I got this white tank top because you know I love a tank top. Well, it's not a tank top, but it's a white shirt and it has Diesel in the, you know, I just feel like I could wear it like to go shopping, to go run errands, to wear with that fit. Like it's just a really cute statement piece. You don't have to do too much with it. I mean, like, then I got, it's a two-piece set. I got the bralette and I got the, it came like this. They packaged it interesting. And I got the matching, oh, it's a bag. It came in a bag. Oh. I got the matching pants to it. Really, really cute. I don't even think I asked for this. Like my mom just like, she ate this. Like this is gonna be a really cute set. Like what? Really, really cute. Next, this is from my stepdad. He got me jewelry. Got me this bracelet. It's my birthstone. I really love it. Like I love all my gifts. Like this is one of the best like gifts. Then he got me this ring because I love my rings. And I always wear my rings, so it's always gonna be worn. Then we actually went to Louis Vuitton. In my video you're gonna see like the whole trip because we recorded it. She surprised me and we just got we got a perfume. I don't really feel like unboxing this right now, but it's the rose perfume from Louis Vuitton. It smells really good. I picked it out when I went. Then she got me Hermes. I told her, and this is $400. About $400 in cash. I had told her I wanted to start my jewelry stack, so here we are. Got me 2 bracelets. She got me cream. And then she got me white. They're really cute. I can't wait to wear them. I'm probably gonna like have them in my like jewelry collection for a hot minute before I actually even wear them. I do that so much with so many of my stuff. Like I let them marinate and then I just randomly pick it up one day. Then more jewelry, because I've been wanting to invest in my jewelry collection. Like, oh wait, I didn't see this card. Oh, it's not a card, it's the receipt. Just not gonna look at that. So next I got a bracelet from Swarovski. I got this from my godmom. It's really cute. It was on my wish list. It's a diamond tennis bracelet. Like, yeah, it's actually like Swarovski is actually really affordable. Like, just go and look at their stuff, and there's like things for $100. Okay. Oh my god, my phone's dying. Like, I don't understand. My phone's been on the charger this whole time and it feels like it hasn't been charging at all. Oh, these like, when I get to putting on a fit with this, y'all, because I've been looking at these and I'm just like, I need these. Like, I need these a part of my shoe collection. Like, this is beautiful. Like, and I just needed them. Like, that's how I felt the same way about these, the way I felt about my Ricks. Just a tiny bit less, like, I need it. Like, but I wanted these like really bad. Like, I was just like, the amount of outfits I could put together in these sneakers, like, and it's like, when I was younger, I loved wedge sneakers. Like, I was always like wearing some type of wedge. Like, I just feel like it's so cute. Like, and I'm back in New York. I forgot to say that I'm back in New York because I'm not at school no more. Then I'm not even gonna show y'all the whole box. Those are my Ricks. I got new Ricks. Like, this is so freaking cute, right? Like, I have on the Ricks, these ones right now, but these ones, look, I got my lip gloss on it because I was making videos. But like, these ones, hello, like, these are so cute. Like, this is another one I can't wait to wear. Like, I just love shoes like that, like neutral color shoes that's just really stylish. Like, those are like statement pieces in itself, in my opinion. Then this big bag of Kurt. What did I get? Oh yes, ugh. I got these heels. Girl, y'all, this is so cute. I seen it in the store. I was like, oh, I could wear these on vacation. Like, this is tea. No, but hear me out. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. These are tea. I love these. Like, these are like, these are so cute. Like, I'm gonna wear it on vacation with a nice outfit. It's gonna look so cute when I put it on. Then I got a purse. Because I actually lost my purse like the day before my birthday. Yeah, that was tragic. But then I got 2 new purses. I got this purse. It was actually only $38, I think. Like, it's really cute. It's like an everyday purse. I had a purse by them before. and it was a good purse. Like, I could fit everything in it and stuff like that. Oh gosh, my phone just keeps falling. Like, I just don't know why. Then I got Pandora. I told my mom I wanted charms, but she got me so many charms. Like, well, they were from my aunts too, but like she told them like to get me so many charms, and it was just like, now like this little bracelet is about to be completely full. Like, this is one of them. Like, these are so cute. Like, it won't focus, so I'm not even gonna waste my time and show y'all all of them. But just know she got me a lot of cute charms. Like 1, 2, 3. 4. Oh. 5. Hold on. I want this one open. 6, 7. Sorry. I love 6, 7 jokes. Okay. This is a ring. And 8. 8 more charms. Then I got my Yerman, my David Yerman. I don't feel like opening this either, but it's the classic like cuff with the opening. I'll show y'all a picture. Then she got me some slides from Sunday. Like, these are so cute. I can't wait to wear like all my slides and stuff on vacation. Like, it's gonna be so cute. And I'm sorry if I keep like smacking my gum or something. I don't be noticing. Like, my gum's in my mouth, I don't be noticing how much I be like chewing it. And last but not least, the big boy. Ooh. I low-key want to do an unboxing on TikTok, and I'm just opening it for y'all. It's just because I don't know how to tie this like this. This is here. Guess what it is? It's something I've been wanting for a very long time, actually. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! She's so pretty. It smells so good. And the insides are red. And everybody knows it comes with the pouch. This is so cute. And that is everything that I got for my birthday. Thank you to my mom. See you guys in the next video.